if the spirits will not give me what I want, then I will take it myself. Some women would love to wear the crown of first wife, but they do not realize how heavy the crown could be.
Do you think the crown will give you power? No. It comes with pain, sorrow, and in the end, a throne that is never won.
Woman, you think peace is more important than pride? Egodi. Egodi, you lost your pride a long time ago. So, you have no right to preach anything to me.
Adaku, you think shouting your pride into the winds will make you a queen? Be careful. Yes. Be very careful. Because even the wind knows the foolish. And it does not call your name kindly.
Who cares? Oh, Chebwem. Now really.
Can you hear them? No, Ada, can you hear them? Mama said that there will be peace in this house today. But I can clearly hear them fight again. The wind doesn't lie.
No. I heard them too. Talking about wind. Why do you start believing in the gossip of the wind? It only tells the tales of those that are weak and strong. Our mothers are clearly weak. Look at them fighting, quarreling. They will fight till they get old and toothless.
But Adeze, we laugh about it now. But the truth of the matter is that their words stabs deep. Don't you think that will affect us? Their quarrel are like poison.
Poison? They're a poison that will only make us get stronger and closer. Do you think we'll end up fighting like them every day? Our mothers are fighting for scraps of pride. Nothing relevant.
Adeze, I do not want us to end up like them.
We will never end up like our mothers. We are strong, we are brave. We love each other and this love will bind us together.
I'm scared.
Hey, relax.
But don't you think the poisons are already in us?
Never. It is not in me and it will never be in you. You see, we will love each other together forever. As sisters, we will stay. None of their words will cut us deep. Okay?
It is better to have peace in the house than having pride at home. I'm so happy that I have peace at home.
Who says you have peace?
I'm saying it.
You have no peace. Neither is your home whole. You've been living in ruins, pretending that there are no cracks in your home. There's nothing like peace in your home.
Adaku, you know me. You cannot fool me with your fake strength. Yes, no matter how loud you shout, someday you will realize that it is the quiet ones who change the world. Yes. And by that time, all this your noise will become nothing but dust.
Dust?
Yes.
Dust you call it? Well, let us see whose words at the end of it will be dust. But you know what? Your words will always be dust, like they've always been.
Okem Nalan.
Isoro eme fenagan. Jesulike.
Adezem.
Papa.
No.
You are my daughters. You are my true daughters. You have your mother's fire in you. But this fire can burn down the whole house if you are not careful.
Papa, me and my sister, they might be our mother, but we don't want to fight. They are our mothers, yes, but we are different.
Papa, why would we even fight? Why are we fighting? Yes, I know our mothers fight every day. But we're not like them. Papa, we are different. Your daughters are unique.
Hey, different yes. I understand that you are different. Because you do not shout it out, because you do not fight, because you are not shouting it out. You are not raising voices at each other, isn't it? Yes. But you are daughters of pride. Don't you know?
Yes, Papa. Because we are your daughters. Of course we are daughters of pride. But not that kind of pride that will pull us down. Papa, we are peaceful. We love peace. I and my sister will stay peaceful forever.
Then fight for peace. That is the true battle. Fighting for peace is the true battle. But be careful of whose battle you fight. Because at the end, you may find your soul torn.
Thank you, Papa. This word will stick forever. Thank you.
These are my true daughters.
Thank you, Papa.
I love you so much.
Thank you,
love
Papa.
you too.
Do not be like your mother.
Never.
Please, I beg of you.
Never, Papa.
Make me proud.
We will make you proud.
Nanyam,
No.
make me proud.
We will. Your hands hold more than healings, Obiora. They carried ancient powers, a strength that no man should possess.
I am not the healer they say I am. I just do what I'm taught, nothing more.
What if you are the one made to heal more than their bodies? What if you are the one made to heal something deeper, darker? You cannot escape what you are, Obiora, not forever. Last night I had a dream. There is this man. He was standing in between us, Adizi.
A man
Yes. It's not funny.
No, Neye. Your dream is like that of a child. Show me that man that can stand in between us. Show me that man born of a woman that can stand in between us. No man.
No, Ada. This is not just a dream. It's not a regular kind of dream. It was as if he was looking for someone. But you know the funny part? His face is not familiar at all.
Neye, calm down. Your face is wrinkled already because of a mere dream. Who is this man? Okay, maybe he's one of the regular men in the community. Someone you will just forget before sunrise.
No.
You're getting worried.
No, Ada. There is something about this dream. The thought of it alone scares me. You don't get it. I don't know, but it's scary.
Relax. Calm down.
Ikuku anekuyari, oki ikuku. Ikuku anekuyari, oki ikuku. Ikuku anekuyari, oki ikuku. Ikuku anekuyari. Mboli mado wind, no one can stand its force. Mboli mado.
Hey! Whoa! Hey! Hey!
What happened?
Please, Obiora.
What happened to his hand?
Please, help him. He fell down from a mango tree. His arm, it is broken. Hey! Whoa.
Just give.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, man.
It's okay. Sorry. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. Relax now. He's going to be fine. When you take him home, make sure he gets enough rest. Yeah, just take him home. The pain is going to subside. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Get up.
Nangwa,
It's okay.
stand up. Let's go.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
Obiora, say, may the gods bless you.
It's okay.
Thank you. You're a good man.
Always working hard and helping her mother. As if that is not enough, she's always bowing her head to people. And her mother Goody thinks she's better than my own daughter. Just because she does all that.
Hey! Jealousy, Jaloma. My daughter does not need to show her pride. She doesn't. My daughter already knows that it is stronger to bow than to break.
This your daughter is already broken. Yes. Broken to pieces. Oh, as if you do not know. Look at you. Anyway, your own is just to hide behind your silence.
Oh.
Shame.
Oh, Adako. Me, a good, is hiding under wisdom. Something you have forgotten in your madness. Go and train your daughter well.
Did you just touch me?
Why did you beat me?
I'll beat you again because you started it. No! You called me mad! You want to see the madness in me? What do you want to?
Let go.
I don't think it's possible.
Let you go.
The servant.
I said let you go!
Touch the servant first!
Let go!
Neye, sometimes I wish father never married 2 wives. Maybe there would have been peace in this house.
And you think if father never had 2 wives, there will be peace? And the winds will not blow their angers away.
The wind will always come. It always does. But this time, I feel it will come with sweet breeze.
You think so?
I know so, Neye.
I just wish there would be peace.
Hey! Come on, stop there. Where are you coming back from?
I went to see Ninjidi.
You have to say name today. Since morning! You could not even fetch a calabash of water in this house. And look at the time you're coming back.
No, what is it now? What is it?
You're asking me that question.
Am I the only person in this compound? Is no one not living here?
You're so disrespectful. You know what? You see why I always talk about my daughter? Your mother did not train you well at all.
No, don't talk about my mother like that.
If I talk about your mother, what will happen?
I'll tell her.
I will slap you now. You see why I always talk about Nenye? Nenye will wake up in the morning. She will do every chore. Even if she wants to go out, she will seek permission. But your own, eh?
Neye this, Neye that. Every time you're talking about Neye, do you have to always compare us? Since Neye is the glory of the community, let her do the chores now. Please, let me breathe.
You see, breathe. Come and breathe. Let me see.
I will tell my mom. I will tell my mother.
Which mother? I will beat you and your mother here. It's not by size. You think it's by size? Because she's taller and fatter than me?
Woman, what ails you?
I don't know, Biora. It's a sharp pain in my belly. It's been 3 days now. I have tried all I know, but nothing works. Oh.
Does it hurt you? It's okay. It's okay. Just let me see what they got for you. See this leaf? You chew one now, and you chew one before you go to sleep. Don't worry, you're going to be fine. Can you at least stand up?
I can't stand up more.
It's okay, just try.
No, don't worry. I should chew one now. Thank you.
It said that Obiora has healed people who have been thought to be beyond help.
Indeed, we found a savior in this kingdom.
Nah, a savior indeed though. You know, Obiora is not just a man. There is something magical about him. Like, he holds the mysteries of the earth. Obiora is just special.
I can't believe it, but...
Now let's go, Rico, and let's leave story for tortoise.
Yes, I'll make sure I clear everywhere in this land.
Obiora, how did you learn all this? The herbs, the remedies. How do you know which one to use for what?
The gods speak to me. They tell me which herbs to choose. I just listen.
But the gods favor you more. It's as if they have chosen you above everyone else.
Honestly, I don't know. I have always felt different. Maybe it's the way I see the world. The way I connect with everything around me. The grass, the trees, the water, the soil.
Obiora, you are not just a healer. You are their messenger.
No, I am no messenger. I just listen to the gods when they speak, and I do what they want.
Okay, and I'm learning. Ebuka, there is something about Obiora. I feel like I'm becoming closer to him, and it feels right.
Closer to him. Amara, you have to be very careful. People can talk.
Let them talk. The more they talk, the more they review their own insecurities.
Amara, it's a small village. The world is very cruel. If they get to know that you are getting too closer to him, they will start thinking the worst. And they will start twisting words.
Let them twist. Maybe I want them to talk. Maybe I want them to wonder what is between us.
Amara, it's not like I do not want you to be happy or do what you want. But I do not want you to get hurt. That's why I'm...
Don't worry, I'm fine. Thank you.
No, Amara. Okay.
Obiora! 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 Obiora, please, come on.
It's okay. What happened to you? It's not right. It's okay. It's okay. This is serious. It's okay, just go this way. It's going to be fine. Wait, this medication. Make sure it takes it again before going to bed.
Obiora, can I ask you a question?
Okay.
sometimes I wonder if you know more. If you know what we do not understand.
I'm just a man, Amara. A man who listens to the world around him. The trees, the soil, the water. They have a way of telling me which herb to use. And I listen.
Obiora, do you know when you speak, it's as if the word slows down. And I can see it. I can see the truth in what you say.
I don't know about that. I only do what I can to be of help.
Ikuku anekuyari, oki kuku. Ikuku anekuyari, oki kuku. Ikuku anekuyari, oki kuku. Ikuku anekuyari. Mboli mado wind. No one can stand its force.
Obiora, you are so humble. I think you do not realize how special you are.
I am nothing special, Amara. I am just a man with the right tools to help those in need.
Maybe. But the way the villagers see you, they see you as their savior. And I cannot help but see you same. Obiora, sincerely, you are becoming something more than a healer to me.
What kind of nonsense is this? Everywhere so smoky. Let them call their daughters to find the fire now. What is this nonsense? Every time you'll be in the kitchen cooking, man say, "Oh, it's in your kute. Are you cooking a stone?"
What's your problem?
What do you mean, what's my problem? Say what you want to say. No, say it.
If you want fire, now go and make it. What's your own?
Go and turn off that thing, or you call your daughter to find your fire for you. What's this nonsense?
Ada could go and find the fire.
I'm saying you will do it yourself.
I said go and find it.
Go and handle that fire. I don't want to get upset with you. If you cannot handle it, you tell your daughter to do it.
If you want to talk, don't touch me.
No, I will touch you.
I'm allergic to your touch.
Come back here. I said I will touch you. I said you called me a mad woman.
Yes, because you're mad.
Yes.
Because you're mad.
I will turn you into a mad woman before you know it.
Okay.
We will see who's cool and who's not cool. Yeah, stupid. What is
Wait.
What is so funny? What is so funny?
Oh, you're laughing at your mother's shame.
Are you? You're laughing at your mother's disgrace.
Whose
you're
mother's?
Laughing at your mother's
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
And what did they make me?
Yes,
are you okay?
Yes, Niara.
Are you? You're still laughing. Come here. Hey.
Yeah. Yes, come back here.
Now come here.
Come back here. Instead of you to come and start with your mother and fight. Are you a
come here.
Are you a twin?
So you wanted to leave me to fight this fight alone?
Mama, what do you want me to do? It's obvious you two enjoy fighting, so keep fighting. Leave me and my sister out of it.
Listen, if you want to talk to your mother, you mention your mother, bro, can you too?
Mama, she was not talking to her mother.
Yes, Mama, yes,
I hope you were not referring to me. Were you referring to me, Mama?
Yes, you were referring to you.
No, she was not
referring to you.
There's no way she will refer to me. Imagine my friend go and put the fire on it. Tomorrow now our husband will say I am not respecting you.
Interested in what the husband
Mama,
you heard about the way what is her name? Adeze spoke to me earlier today. I'm sure you know it. See, that same way she spoke back to me, that is the same way you will be speaking back to her mother.
Mama, I do not need to speak to be heard. Adeze does things her own way. That's how she is. That doesn't mean that she's a bad person.
If she does things her own way, I want you to be doing things your own way. Just make sure she does not adulterate the teachings I gave you.
Mama, just understand that I want us to be in one accord. Let's respect each other. Let's not tear each other apart. Please.
Understand? Understanding. Eh? Whatever we are doing here is give and take. If she gives me, you will give her mother. Okay, Nan?
Mama, I'm not in for that one. No. I'm not in for that. There should be peace. There is no need for all this quarreling every day. This environment is no longer healthy. Mama,
where are you going? Back kitchen. Come on, go and look for something to cook. If there's nothing to cook, sell me to me now.
You know, that girl, man, she's so quiet and meek. But I would love you to be the opposite. Always stand tall and strong. You know, Nanya cannot even stand up for herself.
Mama, please. Can you just let my sister be? Nanya is perfect the way she is. She does not have to be like me.
Okay, you say so. But she always pretends to be the perfect daughter. While the whole community looks at you as the bad child.
Mama, fine. Let them talk about my sister. Since they are so jobless and they don't have what to do. What is it? Nanya cannot be like me. Let her be herself. I am here. I will protect her. Even you do not understand.
I hope you don't die in that protective state of yours. You see.
I really can't believe Mama said all that to you. Like, why is she always making it seem like you are the one at fault?
It's not new to me. There's nothing she will say that will be new to me. But you, Neye, you're just her perfect little daughter. There is nothing that you do that seems or goes wrong in her presence. I don't know.
Adeze, you are perfect. So confident of yourself. Always able to defend yourself. Like, how do you do it?
Neye, this is not about being perfect. It's not about being confident. To me, I feel it's about you being able to stand up for the truth, stand up for your rights, speak up when it's necessary. That's it.
I will always stand by you.
And I will always stand by you too.
No matter what our mothers do, you'll always be my sister.
And you will remain my sister forever.
You see how Adeze fights every time? Eh? She quarrels with everybody. One day, if all this gra-gra will lead her into trouble.
Mama, she lays things in her own way. Sometimes she can be difficult, but the truth is, Mama, I and Adeze cannot be the same. We cannot be perfect just as you want us to be.
Nobody is asking you to be perfect. Me, I'm not perfect. But what I'm saying is that you're too soft. One day the world will break you.
The world may try, but I will stand firm with my sister. Not you. Not Nema Adako. We separate us.
But why? Why have they refused to understand me? Why has Mama refused to understand me? She thinks I want to destroy everything. No, that is not my intention. I just want to be me. I want to live freely. I want to fly high. What have I done?
Adeze, you do not need to be free.
Why?
You are already free, just like I am. Don't let anybody compare you to being who you are not. Be who you are. Everybody will adjust.
Then let us show them. Neye, let us show them that we do not need their approval.
Together, Daisy, we need no one to be who we are. Okay? Just take it easy. Everything will be okay.
It is never seen, it is only felt. Mbolimado wind.
Spirit of the dark, hear my plea. May you bring torment into the blood of my rival. May her daughter be forever bound in jealousy, hatred, and division. May she never know peace. Let there be only flames of mistrust. The child will never know the warmth of love. Only the cold shoulders of my will.
Forces of darkness, heed my words. Let the bond between the daughters be broken. Let them not have eye for each other. Let the hatred they would have consume them, both physically and in their hearts. Let them not have love for each other. Let the darkness consume their friendship, so that they would never know what it means to ever come together again. Gods of darkness, I call upon you, and I tell you to take charge. Destroy the love they have for each other. Destroy them. Let everyone stand on their own. Let my daughter listen to my words of wisdom. Let her understand what it means to be on her own. She can't make it if she keeps depending on the love that her sister gives to her. She must think of herself first before any other thing. Gods of darkness, I call upon you once again. I give you what you ask for. Do this one thing for me. Destroy the bond. Shatter the love. Tear them apart. Yeah. Bia, you wicked and selfish girl. How dare you sweep dust into my heart? Are your eyes blind or your heart black?
Mama, the wind blows as it pleases.
The wind blows as it pleases. How come it's not blowing towards your mother's heart? Eh? What is the matter with you? You're even there. Talk back at me. Are you mad?
But, Mama,
but really?
Adako, Biko. If the wind is blowing dust into your eyes, curse the gods. Not my daughter. Let me not hear my daughter's name from that your cursed mouth.
Oh, that's not me. That's not God. He can't do money for you.
Zapo me.
What are you talking about?
Nyam.
Don't try it. Do not try it.
You want to
do not try it.
No. Do you want to
you can sweep to your own direction, not mine. Take this thing to your side. What do you want to do?
Adako.
What do you think you want to do?
You want to sweep? No, but you know I can make you sweep. You want to sweep?
Me, I will sweep into your
house. Go and sit down.
I'm not.
Adako, go and sit down.
You will sweep it into your hut.
Adako, go
I'm
and
not sitting anywhere.
If I leave this broom,
what
you
will
will
happen?
Sweep it. Hey, you will sweep.
Chine,
Ada.
what is it? Why is your face looking like that of an angry carved mask? No. Don't tell me they have started again.
As usual, they have started again. I wonder what those two people have decided to turn my father's house into a market square.
These are our mothers. We came out of them. Yet we do not behave like them at all.
At all.
You know what? Let them go ahead. Quarrel, bring down the roof. We do not care. Nay, I and you will stay happy as sisters forever. Okay? Let's go to the stream.
Now you make me feel better.
Every time they will be calling and fighting.
Like, I don't understand.
So this is bitter leaf. It's good for fever.
You speak of herbs as if they were people.
Well, perhaps they are. Some speak, some heal, and some betray.
And do any love?
Adeze, come here. So it is true. My eyes did not deceive me.
Mama, what is it? What did you see?
It's not what did you see. I saw you.
Mama, what did you
I
see?
saw you and Nenye seated like two birds in love, devouring my yam. My own yam.
Mama, it is about her own. It's not true.
What do you mean?
Mama, we're just...
You were just what?
eating.
No, do not play with my intelligence. I saw what happened. After the promise you made. How could you? What's the meaning of that?
Mama, I don't know why you're shouting. As long as this thing that you're talking about has to do with my sister Nene, nobody can come in between us.
Hey!
Not even you.
Chimebon, to fear and keto. It's not getting me. Oh, no problem. It's your life. But let me sound a note of warning. If she gives you pepper, which I know she would, don't come running to me.
She will not show me.
Oh, they show you pepper.
She will not show
Shut up, one! No. Since you started shaking up one, I don't know if I know one. Also, you will be Ike. Hey! Adeze!
The healer's hands are gentle, but their heart remains unseen.
Where did you hear that?
My mother, before the gods took her, she said the heart of a healer is not supposed to be empty. Ebuka, I think I love him.
What are we talking about here?
Obiora.
Then tell him, of what use is the silence if it drowns your joy?
No, a woman does not profess love. Not in our land, not with our blood. The man is the one who must speak.
Then wait. But I pray you do not wait forever.
If it's meant, the gods will stir his lips to speak.
I advise you tell him.
But I like him.
Who's this? Can you hear me? She's alive. Take her home.
Obiora, are you sure you do not know this woman?
I've never seen her in my life. I was walking, and all of a sudden, there she was, right in front of me, out of nowhere. She looked like a leaf blown out from its branch.
You should have called someone. What if she was sent? What if this was a trap?
No. I looked at her face. I saw more pain than malice. She looked like someone who had been forgotten by the world.
Even though this land is cursed with enemies who wear friendly faces.
Hey.
Yeah, my.
It's okay. Relax. You are in my house. I'll take good care of you. I'll bring you food and water. Okay?
How possible is this? I have given blood. I have given the feather of the owl. I have chanted with the moon as witness. Why can't Adeze and Nenye separate? Why are they still tied like twins in the womb? Why do the spirits mock me? Why can't they break? Why?
Mama, drink up. It's okay. It's going to help give you energy, okay? Drink.
Drink. Sorry.
Mama, how do you find yourself in life?
I don't belong to this land. I came from a far land. A place that cast me out.
Cast you out? Why?
I was accused of a crime I never committed.
The elders called me cursed, disgrace. I lost everything. I have walked through the forest, the rivers. I don't know peace, no rest. It's been hunger, cold, loneliness.
Mama, enough of all that. Let this be your home. Stay. Let me take care of you from now henceforth.
My son, may the gods of your land bless you. Your name be written in the stars.
Drink over.
Papa.
My beautiful daughter.
Yes, Papa.
Nanyam.
Nam.
Yeah. I'm very happy to have two of you. You can see how two of you have grown. And become so grown. One day, you leave this house. Go to anywhere they are marrying you. I hope you'll be happy there.
Papa, marriage. I don't want to get married. I don't want to get married. I'll stay under your roof and grow grey hairs.
Not in my house. You must marry.
For me, I'll get married. So my husband will come and pay my breakfast and take me away from your wife. The problem is too much. I can't handle.
As long as you choose men that will respect you, love you like this, my young. You love young. You must marry. Oh, I'm so proud of you.
You like food.
I'm so proud of you. One of these days you must go. I have another man to live by. It's okay.
Neye! Neye, what is keeping you there? I'm coming.
Sorry.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
Sorry.
Are you blind?
Sorry, sorry.
Don't tell me sorry. Do you have your eyes on your legs?
Sorry, it's a mistake.
What mistake is this? Will your sorry replace my mother's spots?
Nenye, take it easy. It was a mistake.
What is the meaning of that? Are you telling me it's a mistake? Is this what you're supposed to say? I stood here and I was waiting for you. Do you even know him? Why are you taking his side?
Ada, calm down. He didn't do it intentionally.
I don't blame you. You're sick in the head.
Sorry.
What kind of nonsense is this one?
Look, I'm sorry. She's just upset, okay? She's not always like that, okay? I'm sorry.
Adeze. Ada.
She's different.
Stood there and acted as if. Why are you calling my name? Why are you shouting my name?
I don't know. Can you just hold on? Let's talk about it, Ada.
Okay, so why is it now that you want to talk about it? Why do you want to talk about it now? When I expected you to react, why didn't you react? Okay, you want to talk about it.
Can you at least calm down?
No! Neye, you want to talk about it.
You should calm down. You are overreacting. Oh, I am overreacting. Chineye, is this what you are saying to me? Why are you acting like as if you have never seen a fine man before? Yes! That was how you acted. If you even look at him, there is nothing special about him. He's just tall. There is nothing special.
Adaize, what are you saying? What are you saying?
What am I saying? Chineye, did you glare? Did you shout at him? You did not! You stood there, you were carried away as if he's your long lost husband.
Adaize, for crying out loud, it was a mistake. I was there. He did not do it intentionally. For crying out loud, calm down.
Oh! Nice one. Chineye, He did not do it intentionally. You are even taking sides. I don't care any longer, okay? I thought you had something important to say to me. Do you know what you did? You stood there like a gentle dove while you watched me act like a mad woman. Are you not my sister? Are you not supposed to fight with me? Are you not supposed to stand behind me? Please don't tell me what. Don't say what to me. You're wicked. You took his side and you left me there.
Ada, can you just calm down?
You're wicked.
Can we just talk about it, Ada?
Mama, I ran into trouble today.
Trouble? What kind of trouble?
A maiden. Or rather, she ran into me with a pot and words that cut like a hunter's machete.
She cursed you?
Ah! Plenty. But a friend, she was different. She spoke to me gently. That was strange.
The gods bring people on our way for reasons we don't know yet.
Maybe. But that was strange.
What is it? Ada, sorry. Don't be angry. You have not spoken to me since that incident. I'm sorry.
I'm not angry.
Come on. Remember, we are not just sisters. We are more than sisters. Ada, you are my best friend. And I'm not comfortable whenever you're not talking to me. I'm sorry.
See, Nee, you just have a way of making me feel guilty and I don't like it.
I'm sorry. You know I will never do anything to hurt you intentionally.
It's okay. It's fine.
I'm sorry. Ada, please smile for me.
I'm smiling.
You know that smile is fake.
It's okay. Come here, I have something to tell you.
Me too.
Mama, your knife is beginning to fear your yam.
My hand is working, but my mind is far.
Mama, there's something I want to talk to you about.
I'm listening, my son.
I think I found the one. The one whom the gods whispered about. The one whose presence softens my spirit. Whose smiles lingers in my chest long after she has left my presence.
Who is she?
Nenye, the girl I told you about, the one whose sister bumped into me by the riverside. Her laughter, it stays with me. And when I talk to her, it's like the world quiet all around us. I have never felt such peace before.
Does she feel same?
I think so. We walk, we talk, we share. And when I talk to her, she listens. Not just with her ears, but with her heart. She leaves me wondering, dreaming, and hoping.
Obiora, when a man's heart finds stillness in a woman's company, the gods have spoken.
Maybe they have.
Just be sure your heart is ready to carry what hers will bring.
Hey, you and that healer, you have been getting close, you both. Don't lie. Don't lie.
Adizi, the truth is that we have worked together. We have laughed. We have talked. But that is it. There is nothing more to it.
You have talked. You have been working together. You have laughed. Yeah, I hope you do not cry. I am not telling you that you will cry. But if you don't stop... No! If you don't stop now, you will cry later. Forget about that boy's face. He has a very calm face and a soothing voice. Hey, beware, oh. Beware of that boy.
Adizi, I know him. Like, I trust him completely. He's not like that. I know him.
Me too. You know him? First of all, you know him. Secondly, you trust him. Not just trusting him, you trust him completely. For someone that you barely even know. See, I am talking to you now as my sister. People are beginning to talk. They are gossiping. If he treats you bad, I will feel bad. I don't want you to cry.
Are you worried because of what people are saying? Or is there something else to it? Don't bother, okay? Don't worry yourself. I'll be fine.
It's fine.
Come on, why are you angry?
I'm not angry. I'm only telling you as my sister and you're reading different meaning to it.
I'm not reading meaning to it. Okay, you know what? I've heard you. Okay?
Obiora, you have changed.
Change is part of growing, Amara.
Growth does not mean leaving behind those who stood by you in the dark.
But I've not abandoned anyone. I only go where the wind of the gods blow me.
And the wind now has name. Neye.
Amara, I cannot live my life according to the whispers of the villagers. They can say what they want.
Obiora, you did not used to make me feel like an outsider in your own world.
But you are not an outsider. My world is expanding and I cannot stop it.
I'm listening.
I will be direct. Stay away from Obiora.
Obiora is not a child. He's a full-grown man.
Yeah. Obiora is kind. Do not confuse his kindness for something more. You do not belong here.
I do not know that Hak had walls built from village and names.
Neye, do not try to sound wise. This is not a tale. You see this path you're walking? It leads to heartbreak. And when you fall, nobody can catch you.
every maiden in this kingdom is misbehaving and I can't handle. What's this?
No. 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 It can't be. That's Mark. That's Pet's Mark. No.
Somebody is feeling like one who has honey on her chest.
Mama, leave me. I'm just happy.
You have every reason to be, my child.
Mama, Ubira is a good man. He treats me like a queen, like I'm the only woman in this entire kingdom.
Oh. Obiora is not only a good man, but he is rare.
You can say that again, Mama.
My daughter, you did not just catch a man. You caught gold.
Obiora said soon, like very soon, he will be coming with his family to see Papa for the marriage rites, you know.
Chineke.
Very soon, I will be known as Obiora's bride.
Hey! My ears have heard it. Now my back can rest.
You can say that.
Before my bones grow old. This calls for celebration.
Yes, so Unyo Obiora. Oh, gods of our land, I'm so happy. But Mama, I couldn't help but notice Adeze. She's so angry. She barely even talks with me these days. Like she's giving me a cold shoulder, and I don't understand.
What are you doing with her shoulders? Let them talk. It's just jealousy. It's just jealousy that is eating her all the way termites eats into dry wood. Let her be jealous. She's just like her mother.
But honestly, Mama, I didn't expect it this soon. Like, I can't even swallow it.
My child, save it. When the gods decide to bless one child, the others who want the same rain will start complaining of thunder. Let them talk.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, but I'm so happy. I'll be getting married.
I know.
How I love this place. The peace. It's so calm. It feels like the whole world stops here.
And I love you. Who needs this world? when I have moments like this with you.
And what happened when you get bored of this village girl?
Bored?
Mm-hmm.
I will never be bored of you.
Are you serious?
Nene, you are my world. You are my home.
Obiora, please, you're good with words.
I mean, every word I say, you are my everything.
Mama? Can you remember the day I came back from the stream and I told you that my pot got broken? Your pot? Yes.
Yes, I remember. And you were quite upset. You said it broke while you were fetching water.
I lied.
You did?
Yes. He did not fall, Mama.
No, give me mercy.
I didn't know how to say it to you. That day, I bumped into a very handsome young man. At first sight, Mama, I felt shivers all over my body. His face so calm. His eyes like fresh palm kernel. Immediately, I knew that this was ordained by the gods.
That is a good one. So, who is this young man we're talking about?
Mama, the gods are good. They ordered my step.
I can see.
If I tell you who this young man is, you'll be shocked.
Please, let me know.
He's Obiora. Obiora the healer, Mama.
Obiora the healer? I see. So, what's going on now?
Mama, you don't need to ask. I think the gods actually ordered my steps to meet with him that day. But there is a problem.
What's the problem?
Mama is Neye.
Neye kwa?
Yes, Mama.
How?
I told Neye that I feel something for Obiora. But she went behind me and started saying him. Mama, this will even shock you more. I heard people saying that Obiora is coming to ask for a hand in marriage.
How wicked. How wicked can Neye be? But you know what? That would never happen. If you cannot have Obiora, no one else, no other woman, especially your sister in this compound, would have him.
So Mama, what do you think we do? What are we going to do?
Tonight, we will do something about it. You know, for now, Nene can dance and enjoy herself. But you will dance last. And that is all that matters.
Mama, Nene,
let us see who will dance last.
She stole what rightfully belongs to me.
She has not stolen. She's just enjoying. Because what is rightfully yours will come back to you. Hey, Nene. Nene. Obele nsi na emebi ike. Aga m apikodo gị na ike tonye n'ofia. Anụmanụ.
Nene,
imagine.
You think you can just do this and go scot-free?
Amara, what is it? Amara, please. The fair one of our village. This one you're walking like somebody who just lost her dowry.
Amara, please. As you can see, the sun is scorching. If you don't have anything important to say, let me be, okay?
Do not be angry. Eh? I'm just playing with you. But Adeze, you look disturbed.
I am not disturbed, I'm just tired.
Adeze, is it about Obiora and Nenye?
Amara, what business do I have with that? How does it even concern me, Amara?
Oh, please. We all see it. How you look at him, how he looks at your sister. I know it must burn like a hot coal in your chest.
Amara, do not try to plant what does not exist in my head.
I am not trying to plant nothing in your head. I am only trying to open your eyes. That your sister Neye, she acts like she's gentle, but deep down, she wants to outshine you. She already has your father's heart, and now she wants Obiora too.
She has not taken anything that belongs to me.
She has everything you want, Adeze. Everything. Even the villagers are whispering it. How she parades herself as the queen of Obiora's heart. And what about you?
I have worked hard. Amara, I too deserve everything good. Exactly. I deserve Obiora.
Yes.
After all, it was me he accosted first.
Yes! You saw him first. You felt it first. So why should your sister have him? See, do not let your sister win. See, you need to act fast. If not, she will take everything from you. That is how quiet snake bites. But their bite is deadly. Act fast, Adeze.
Amara, I do not want to hate on my sister.
You don't have to hate her. I am just saying.
I am a woman who had nothing but pain in her heart. I was childless. People called me barren. It hurts, Obiora. The mockery, the whispers. I beg the gods day and night to bless me with a child. I remember the day the gods blessed me. After years of silence, they finally gave me a son, my child. I was filled with joy. I pray to the gods every night for giving me a son. But everything vanished in one day. I was in a farm with my son. I was digging the soil as we do when the sun is high. Suddenly, the wind came, picked my son. I cried. I screamed. I begged for help, but there was no one to help me. But then, he was gone. When I was gone, yes, when I got home that day, I told the villagers what happened. But no one believed me. They called me a witch, a murderer, a child eater. I was banished. That day, I lost everything. I lost my son. I lost my senses. I lost everything. Until I found you. You gave me reasons to live again. You're the son I've longed for. The son that the gods took from me.
I remember now. I went with my mother to the farm when a wild wind came and carried me away. It brought me to this land.
Obioza! Obioza! Nem! 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 Obioza! Obioza! I see.
Evil will not prevail. Okikuku, ikuku wanekuyari. Okikuku, ikuli wanekuyari. Okikuku, ikuli wanekuyari.
What's funny?
Nenye? Hey, 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 hey!
What's that laugh for?
Woo! She's even cooking. She's so impatient that she cannot wait for the man to come and see Papa and pay her dowry. Nah.
And what are you talking about, Adizzy?
Why are you pretending as if you don't know what I am talking about?
I don't know.
You know! You know exactly what I am talking about. Stop pretending. Why are you running about following Obiora like some hen looking for corn?
Adizzy, I'm warning you. Don't you ever talk to me that way again.
Now you go and sit down. You dare warn me my father's compound.
And this is my father's house also.
Wait, let a man come and chase after you. Stop running after a man.
At least I'm not like you.
Put yourself together and respect yourself back. Don't make me lose this respect that I have for you.
What will you do?
I am telling you. Respect yourself, Neye. Looking for a man.
Obiora, there is something I've been meaning to say to you. I know we've been through a lot together. And in my heart, I feel something more than friendship. Obiora, I love you.
Amara, you have always been there for me, through thick and thin. I care about you deeply, but like a sister.
Obiora, I thought...
I love you, Amara. I do. But not like the way you want me to. Look, you deserve someone who will love you and make you the center of their world. I don't want to hurt you. I cannot be that person.
It is fine. I understand. I just wanted you to know how I felt.
Amara!
Ebuka, I'm so heartbroken. Obiora said he only saw me like his sister. Me, Amara, his sister.
Did I not warn you? Did I not? I told you to confess your love to that man. Tell him how you feel, but you refuse. Now another woman have ripped what you could not. You are here crying. Cry your heart out. Sister.
What kind of a brother are you?
Your dear brother.
Are you not supposed to console me? Or even tell me what to do? Why are you laughing at me? Am I playing?
When I gave you the advice the first time, did you do anything? Did you say anything? You were waiting for the gods. Now you want me to be all wise and give you all the advice you think I have. See, let me tell you, I have prepared yam and oil. Delicious one. Oh yeah, don't cry. Tell me, I will bring it. You will eat. Give you good water. Wash it down.
You are heartless.
You are a sister to Obiora. You have two brothers now.
You are very wicked. So he wants me to go and eat yam and oil. Come on, console me! Come on, console me!
Come on, console you. That's not what they advise you, no. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay.
Console me!
It's okay.
Me, sister!
These vegetables are so fresh. I don't even know if this one will be enough. Maybe I should get some. Obiora, what are you doing here? And what is that you're holding? Let me see.
Close your eyes.
Obiora.
Close your eyes.
Okay, fine. Eyes closed.
Are they closed?
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
Okay. Close them, close them.
Can I open my eyes now?
Open.
What is that?
A token. Something to remind you of me each time you look at it.
Oh my god. Obiora. This is beautiful. But why?
Because you're beautiful. I want you to have a part of me everywhere you go to, so that you know that I am yours.
I'm speechless. I don't really know how to feel, but thank you. Thank you, Obi.
Just wear them and know that you have my heart.
Thank you. I love it. Adeze, you were here brooding again. I do not understand you.
Amara, please. I don't want to talk about this. I don't even want you to say anything.
No. Listen. So you want to sit and fold your hands, watch your own sister Neye parade herself as the queen of Obiara's heart? After everything?
What would you have me do? What would you have me do? Obiara has made his choice. And that choice is definitely not me.
And so? So you want to kneel and watch both of them build their love and future right before your eyes? Adeze?
I tried my best. I thought Obiara was going to pick me. And now take a good look at me. I thought he was going to make me his choice, but no!
He was going to choose you. If May, your sister, did not slither in like the snake she is. Adeze, if you cannot have Obiara, then you should not have Emida.
Amara, you're getting me confused. What are you saying? What
I'm saying is, destroy it! Destroy whatever that is blooming between them. Make her feel the same emptiness she gave you. Or do you want to sit at their marriage and watch them feed each other pounded yam?
Never! No. If I cannot have Obiara, nobody else will.
Yes.
Nobody.
This is the Adeze I know.
Nobody in this community will ever have access to Obiara if Adeze cannot have him.
Good. This is the Adeze I know.
Not even my sister.
The Adeze who will not let a goat chew off her yam and smile about it. Do not let this end with you crying at the corners of your mother's hut.
Never.
Do something.
My tears can never be in vain.
Yes.
I must win.
Destroy her.
Obiara is mine.
He is yours.
Not even Neye.
Neye cannot win.
Nobody can have Obiara if I can't. If I can't have Obiara.
Obiara.
Right.
Go, dear. You're welcome. You're welcome, my dear. It has been very long we have this kind of visitor. You're welcome.
Thank you, Nai. It feels good to be here.
Nee, sorry. Sorry. It's okay.
We are honored by your presence.
You're welcome. Obiora, what brings you to my humble home today?
Nee, sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you. My son, go ahead.
Nai, we have come for Nyenye.
Sorry. Sorry.
Come, respect yourself now.
Adak, what is your problem?
She's coughing now.
Shut up.
Why are you telling her to shut up?
Adak, why must it be now?
Nani, please, I don't know. Cough is natural.
It's natural.
Cough at the right time.
But that's what I'm doing. At the right time when there's a break.
Why cough now?
But it has not come.
My son,
My son, please go ahead. I'm here for Nyenye. I want to... I want to... No.
My son, go ahead.
I am here to...
It's the cough. You see? It's contagious.
Now you see, he's struggling to cough.
I hope all is well.
It's the cough.
You see?
It's contagious.
Huh? He does not want to marry my sister. He doesn't want to marry.
Adak, what is it?
This
Adak,
will
what
you
is your
shut up?
problem?
Just eat this yam. Let's open it. Let's just eat.
Don't touch.
You're becoming like your mother.
I don't understand.
You're becoming like your mother.
Nah, I gave birth to her.
We have visitors, see.
Please.
We have visitors.
Who are the visitors?
Zongwegi.
You can see. You can see. Right in this place.
Nah.
No. Like I was saying, I am here for you. I am here to ask about her dowry. I want to make things right.
Oh! Obinna! You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
Hey, that's a good visit. A wonderful one.
Welcome.
Where she go?
What is it? What just happened there? I can't believe it. How did Obiora know about our plans? I don't know. I honestly do not know how he got to know. But the unfortunate thing is that he has ruined everything. But guess what? What, Mama? We are not going to let it slide. We have to show him. If he thinks he can ruin our plans and get away with it, it's not going to work. Obiora, you do not even have an idea of what you are about to face. Because nobody crosses my mother and I and gets away with it. No one. Something must be done. Yes, Ne. Your mother will think of something to do. Real quick, Ne. He will not get away with it. He will not. Quicker than you think.
Ebuka, I don't understand. I tried everything I could. I even had Adeze on my side. But nothing happened. They are just loving each other like everything is okay.
Amara, I've told you. What is meant for you is for you. What is not meant for you, you can't force it. Let them be.
It is not that easy.
I know.
I invested so much energy, so much time for me and Obiora to work out.
I understand. See, you have done a lot already. You've done so much already. See, the gods will only allow you to do much. But you can't change their plans for you or anybody. Just stop stirring the pot already. You have done a lot. Allow them.
I am tired.
Please, my sister.
I am tired of trying. Let the gods take control.
This is the first time I see you give up on something. But the way I look at you, there's a fire in your eyes that will not go out for long. Please, be careful. Be careful. Please. Naya?
Yes, Mama.
You have to be very careful. Adeze and her mother will stop at nothing to bring you down.
Mama, I do not want trouble anymore. I just want peace.
This is not about peace anymore. It's about survival. Just be very careful.
Okay, I've heard you.
Chinenye and Obiora. How does that picture even sit? If I cannot have Obiora,
Neye will never have him. I have sacrificed a lot. I have done a lot of things to make sure that Obiora even take cognizance of my presence. But no. I must do something. I must do something, and I will do that real fast. Obiora has to be mine. If the spirits will not give me what I want, then I will take it myself. Obiora, if I cannot have you, then nobody else will. You think you have the right to pick my sister over me? Now you listen. It is me or nobody else. Me and me alone. You just made a very big mistake of your life.
Adezi, you must be delusional. You really think going to your mother's coven will kill me? You really think that?
Obiora, I will destroy everything. I swear by the gods. I will destroy everything.
Oh, Adezi. Don't you know that anyone who isn't your mother touches your mother's staff, that person only summons death, and your mother shall pay the ultimate price. Yes, Adezi, you just lost her. You just lost your mother.
What? Obiora, no. My mother? No! Mother! Mother! No. Name. Mother! Mother! No! No! Name! Name! No!
Nanya, my daughter.
Yes, Mama.
Your bride price will be paid tomorrow. And it is going to be a very significant day for you. Not just for you, for us. I don't want you to make any mistakes that have already been made in the past. As you're moving to your husband's house, it is a new chapter of your life that is opening. Now you are becoming the heart of your new home. My daughter.
Mama.
It is not just love that keeps a home together. There are times when love is not enough. That is when sacrifice, understanding, patience will set in. Do not let the mistakes of the past repeat themselves.
Yes, Mama. I'll be strong. And I will never forget your words.
Nenyamam,
Mama.
let your love be your guide. And never forget your worth.
I will never forget my words. I will remember everything that you have told me today. And I hope they will keep me going, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Naya. Please, I am sorry. I know I am wrong. I take all the blames. I allowed jealousy to take the better part of me. Please forgive me. Find a place in your heart. And forgive me, please.
It hurts, Adeze. You hurt me so deep. I loved you. I love you as my sister. Why would you do that to me?
No, please. No, please do not turn your face away from me, please. I know that I have been a bad child. I have made a lot of mistakes and I know that I cannot correct them. No, please. Biko. Especially now that my mother is no more, please. Forgive me. Extend your hands of love towards me. Nay, if you don't forgive me, I will suffer. I will be lonely. Please, forgive me. I promise I will change. I'll become a better child that you'll be proud of me.
Yes, Mama. Please.
It's okay. Both of you are my children. You're my daughter. My heart is too large for both of you. As well.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I miss you.
What is it? What did you do? Nenye?
Mbolima, uchitere mungmamuo, Mbolima.
The herbs are working. You're going to be okay in no time.
Thank you, Obi. I don't know what I would have done without you.
It's okay.
How's my daughter doing? Nenye? How are you doing?
I'm doing better.
I'm glad to hear that.
My daughter is doing well, I can say it.
Oh, thanks to Obi and his herbs. He's really doing justice.
You have certainly earned yourself a place here, my son.
Thank you, Nai.
All the king's men are waiting for you. They can't wait for this marriage to come to fruition.
Finally, everything is coming together. I can't wait.
We are all ready for the marriage. Soon it will be time.
Nene.
No one can stand its force. Mbolima the wind. Oki kuku, ikuku anekuyari. Oki kuku, ikuku anekuyari. Oki kuku, ikuku anekuyari. Oki kuku, ikuku anekuyari. Mbolimado wind, no one can stand its force. Mbolimado wind, Mbolimado wind. It is never seen, it is only fair.